Hey there, high-level enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of webhooks, and I'm your high-level partner expert here to guide you through the process. So what's a webhook? Webhooks are user-defined HTTP callbacks, and HTTP is the primary way to send information between websites and web browsers. HTTPS is a more secure version that encrypts the data when transferred. Think of webhook like a virtual messenger bird that delivers real-time information from HighLevel straight to your preferred destination or vice versa. Webhooks allow HighLevel to talk with other applications like Twilio, Mailgun, Zapier, Samcart, or other software to complete required tasks. For example, you're a course creator using Samcart to sell your courses and using HighLevel as a CRM and marketing automation tool. Now you want to email the customer who purchased a specific course, but you're using third-party software like Samcart to sell your courses. So, by default, the purchase information is not in HighLevel. So basically in HighLevel, you have no idea who purchased your course, so how will you send the emails to those course customers? The answer is using a webhook, so that HighLevel and Samcart can communicate with each other. And whenever any purchase happens, Samcart will send that data to HighLevel. So, once the purchase email information is in a HighLevel, you can perform specific tasks, such as sending emails to those who purchased the course. There are two types of webhooks that you can use in HighLevel: inbound webhook and outbound webhook. Inbound webhook means receiving an inbound webhook request in a HighLevel workflow trigger. The example I discussed earlier, like sending purchase information from Samcart to a HighLevel, is an example of an inbound webhook. You can also utilize integration and automation software like Zapier, Make, or Pabbly. Because they come with easier-to-use triggers and actions for many applications you may be using already. In many cases, it is simpler and more powerful to utilize one of these platforms in combination with HighLevel workflows. Outbound webhook is just the reverse of what inbound webhook does. So, if you want to send some information from HighLevel to other third-party software, in that case you can create an outbound webhook in HighLevel workflow automation. Now you have a basic understanding of what webhooks are, how they work, and what are the different types of webhooks in HighLevel. Let's now jump into the HighLevel account and see how you can create and implement webhooks in HighLevel workflows to communicate with third-party applications to perform the desired actions. Firstly, make sure to enable premium actions and triggers, as inbound webhook is a premium feature. So, if you haven't enabled the premium triggers yet, first go ahead and turn this feature on from your agency and sub-account settings. Once premium actions and triggers are enabled via the agency settings, existing and new sub-accounts will have 100 free executions. Once the 100 free executions are consumed, $0.01 execution will be debited from the agency wallet for each execution from any sub-account's usages unless rebilling is enabled. Once you enable the premium triggers, you can use the inbound webhook features inside your GoHighLevel workflows. Now navigate to Automation, go to Workflows, and create a new workflow. Now click on the Add New Trigger and search for Inbound Webhook. Here, you'll fill out the basic details. Give your webhook a cool name, something that resonates with your task. Now you will see a HighLevel webhook. Unique URL will be created. We have to paste this unique webhook URL into the external software from where you want to catch some information. In our case, we want to fetch purchase data from Samcart. So, the best way to do this is using automation and integration software like Zapier. Once you're in Zapier, navigate to Zaps and click on Create a New Zap. This is where you can build a Zap to send Samcart purchase information to HighLevel workflow. Click on Trigger and now search and choose the software like Samcart. Now choose the event that you want to trigger. I want to pull information when anybody purchases a course in Samcart, so I would select New Order as an event. Click on Continue. Connect your Samcart account and click Continue. Now you have to tell when you want to fire this trigger, like choosing the specific course for sending the purchase information. So I want to send the information of customers who purchased the GoHighLevel Mastery course. I will select my GoHighLevel Mastery course and continue. Now the next step is to test that your trigger is firing correctly. So to check this, click on Test. Now you can see that Zapier has pulled the information of the customers who recently purchased a HighLevel course. It means the trigger is working perfectly. Now you have the purchase information in Zapier, and we need to connect this Zap with the HighLevel so that the SamCart purchase information can be pulled in HighLevel workflows. Click on the next step and choose the action Webhooks by Zapier. Now choose the event type as Post and click Continue. Now grab the webhook URL from the HighLevel that we have previously created. Copy the URL and paste it here and click Continue. The next step is testing. Click on Test Step to make sure that everything is working fine. And now you can see that we received status success. Perfect. Hit on Publish to bring this automation live. Now, come back to your HighLevel workflow dashboard, refresh the mapping reference, and here we'll see a reference link. Go ahead and select this as a mapping reference to pull data from the Zap that we just created in Zapier. Once you have selected the payload, data will be pulled in HighLevel, as you can see here. A payload refers to all of the information packaged and sent from one app to another. Everything is perfect. Go ahead and click Save Trigger and save your workflow. Now the HighLevel will automatically direct you to the next step for creating contact. This is required to add a SamCart purchase information in HighLevel CRM. Choose the field to create update contact in HighLevel, first name, and click on Label, and select Inbound Webhook Trigger, and then select the customer first name field, because we want to pull the customer information from the inbound webhook that we just created. Similarly, you can add last name, email, and other fields, and choose it from the inbound webhook trigger to get your SamCart customer information in HighLevel. Once you have done adding the field, click on Save Action. Every time somebody purchases a GoHighLevel course, a contact will automatically create it in our GoHighLevel CRM. You can go ahead and build the workflow to add triggers like GoHighLevel course customer to differentiate contacts in your HighLevel CRM. These purchase contacts to send email blasts using HighLevel. Use your webhooks wisely.